Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be making fried plantain. I have a large plantain. I'm going to peel it by removing the top and the tail part, slit it with a knife all across the breadth, remove the peel and slice into a bowl. I'm going to use the large piece slices. There are different options when slicing plantain, but I'm just going to go with the slicing into the large pieces I'm currently showing you. If you prefer, but usually I leave the salt out. Fry the plantain at 180 degrees until golden brown. The plantain is ready, and I'm going to be placing it on some kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. If you do not have a deep fryer at home, you can use a frying pan with a little bit of vegetable oil to fry the plantain slices. You can serve the plantain on a plate with fried egg or jollof rice or chicken or fish, grilled fish, or any dish of your choice. Enjoy.